Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating HTML from CSV file. You can see on my computer I have a CSV file. I can double click on it to open it into CSV viewer. CSV viewer is a free app, it's showing what is inside of CSV file, and also I can export this CSV file into different formats as well. You can see there is a save as web page, but the problem is that it will say create web page from this table as it is. And what if I want to create different HTML, use a different columns or rearrange columns and so on? I can do this using Python or PowerShell, but I will show you how to do it without programming with application. I will download and install from this website. To find application, I click on search and type CSV to HTML, and I need this CSV to HTML template, and click on download to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded to my computer. I'll be recording more videos on creating HTML pages from different sources, including JSON, XML, within templates, and so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We are waiting for small archive to be downloaded from Google Drive. Sometimes Google Drive asking normally it's scanning files that are released into the customer. This is why I'm actually using Google Drive. It's a little bit slower, but every time it gives you a file, it scans it. So it's nice to know that the file is safe and everything is safe to download and safe to install. So we'll wait a couple more seconds for it to download. Also, the more important thing, before conversion, make sure that this CSV file closed into any application, especially in Excel, because Excel tends to lock files that, if it's open in Excel, it will permanently lock it, so no other application can access it. So if you try to access it, this file, while it's open in Excel, you may get an error like file cannot be accessed. Okay, so we have archive. I have archive downloaded. Click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI inside archive. Click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run and wait to start the installation. Click on next, next install. Click on yes. I click finish on final screen, and you can see I have a application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop, CSV to HTML template. Now I know that the file that I want to use is located C users documents, so I will double click on shortcut and I can close this. And conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select data file, CSV data file we would like to use for creating HTML. And I will use the states and country CSV. Click on next step. Here is a HTML template I will use to create HTML. So you can see it's already added field name. Everything between percentage sign are fields, and it will be replaced with the data for every record what is in the body. This is what will be in header, this is what will be in footer, and this is what will be in every record as it progresses. Also, if normally CSV file first row contains column names, and in my file it's also as well. Sometimes it doesn't, but normally no. If it doesn't, I have to uncheck this. Check, and it will treat first row as a data, not as a column name. But I have a normal CSV file. First row is the column names. So yeah. And I don't know, I can change it in any way I want. For example, I don't want to have a country name, right? I can remove it. And yeah, maybe I want to add header as well. Let's add header. Let's add header showing code. I need tr here, right? So minimum HTML knowledge is required, but you can see it's very easy. It's tables, rows, and so on tags. but yeah. And yeah, basically that's it. We added header, and let's go and run conversion. It's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay. Just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. And you can see I have a file converted into HTML page. I can add more adjustment to it. For example, let's add borderline to table. So I think it called border equal 1. Right, let's go see file. Yep, I saw it added border, but basically it creates whatever I have in CSV. It uses this template for every record and create HTML file from it, and I can add some minor thing if I want to, but basically what it will do, it will get CSV file and convert it into HTML. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like, if you have any interest in CSV files you're trying to convert to HTML, also share them in comments, and yeah, share your experience. And yeah, and if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See ya.